This is a tutorial to show you how to use BrainFuse SkillSurfer for middle school students. You'll see some lessons, videos, and tests that happen inside SkillSurfer. First, find homework help in the drop-down box under Services. You'll see it there at the bottom. Click on it. And at the top of the list, you'll find the link for BrainFuse Help Now. Click on that, and when you do, you'll be transported to BrainFuse Help Now. This is what it looks like. You'll have access to all of these resources, including SkillSurfer, which is right here. When you click on SkillSurfer, you'll be taken here. The menu is extensive, so be sure to scroll down. Lots to explore here. Click on the middle school and the menu expands. We'll explore the middle school resources. Click on grade 7 reading. Again, there is a lot in this section, so scroll down. You've got flashcards, different lessons, reading for details, vocabulary development. Keep going. Drawing conclusions, compare and contrast. So you see, there is a lot just to improve your reading skills. Each of the other topics in the middle school section are just as extensive. You have reading, writing, mathematics, science, social studies. When you take the practice test, you'll see what areas you might want to work on and go directly to those lessons. SkillSurfer helps to make your study time more efficient, so you have more time for what you want to do. The Greensboro Public Library is open online all day, every day. Please check out our resources.